We'll guide you through how to create custom pillows on Printful. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Printful website and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to sign up with your email and create a password. Once you're logged in, head to the dashboard and click on the Product Templates tab. This is where you can start designing your custom pillow. Click on Create New and select pillows from the list of products. You'll see a variety of pillow sizes and styles, so choose the one that best suits your needs. Next, click on the Design button, and you'll be taken to the design interface. Here, you can upload your own images or use Printful's design tools to add text, shapes, or clip art. Make sure your design fits within the guidelines provided, and use the preview feature to see how it will look on the actual pillow. Once you're happy with your design, click Save Product Template. Now that your design is ready, click on Add to Store if you have an online shop connected, or click Order to purchase the pillow directly from Printful. You'll be prompted to select the quantity and shipping preferences. After you've made your choices, proceed to checkout to complete your order. You can also take advantage of Printful's mockup generator to create images of your pillow for marketing purposes. And that's it, your custom pillow is on its way to being made. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.